Laoban gave me the Audi Opa that has been open for 13 years. My head is fierce. It wasn't until I saw him that I realized how outrageous the power was. He wants to catch the long-abandoned lion. The moment I opened the door covered in wind and frost. The unwillingness engraved in the bones. After many years, he still growled. No one dares to take this car. Definitely hit the hand. I said we have been renovating old cars for so many years as long as he has one screw. Tataido Tando. This is the supercar that landed $3 million that year. Can I make a lot of money if I change hands after a complete renovation? Today I will take you to see if the R8 I picked up can be turned back into the new award of the year in my hands. Brothers do it. The particularity of the rear engine can only be removed from the rear chandelier. Successfully discharged this way, 10 hard engine breakup work officially started. Engine dismantling complete. The strain of the activation plug group in the cylinder is quite serious according to the original maintenance water times. It has reached the scrap standard for a performance car. Carbon seal lower set is purely a job. It won't take long to repair. Brand new original accessories. Put it on and it's called a death. The engine was successfully assembled waiting for loading watch. This hard come back to life full of blood. Vehicle color change starts the end of the year is getting closer and closer. Red is symmetrical. This lively new year, you see if this color is bright enough? Certainly we use all German BSF water-based parrot paint. Only with this quality can the final color change effect be properly guaranteed. See if this is bright enough before polishing. Full-time all-parts engine loading. Add oil and water to the whole car. The interior is customized with the original cowhide of Meiji Farmer, and the car restores the delicacy and luxury of the supercar. The renovation is complete. The finished product is here. It all just watches. The vehicle refurbishment is done. First, look at the new effect of the exterior and interior.